Welcome! You're about to unlock the secret vault of cryptocurrency security, a realm where your digital treasures are guarded with unbreakable prowess. Today, we're diving deep into the nucleus of crypto safety, the mighty crypto wallet. Whether you're just starting your journey or you're a seasoned explorer, understanding the power of the right wallet is your ultimate guide to not just surviving, but thriving. Navigating the selection of your crypto wallet is a quest filled with challenges and choices. Fear not, for we are here to illuminate the path, stripping away the veil of complexity to empower your journey with enlightened decisions. Selecting your crypto wallet is akin to choosing your armor in battle. For the novices among us, it's about finding the sweet spot between simplicity and impenetrable security. For the veterans, it's the quest for a vault that not only shields a plethora of digital currencies, but also comes equipped with advanced fortifications. The battlefield of hot versus cold storage is vast, and today we march through it with clarity and strategy, guiding you to the treasures of knowledge on how to protect your digital wealth effectively. As we delve deeper into the crypto realm, enhancing your digital fortress isn't just wise, it's essential. Let's unlock the strategies to safeguard your investments like the most vigilant of dragons guarding its gold. From mastering the art of private key secrecy to the high-tech shield of hardware wallets, we're laying down the law of the land for crypto security. It's about transforming your digital vault into an impregnable sanctuary against the cunning thieves of the digital age. In the arsenal of crypto security, the hardware wallet is your Excalibur. Strike with precision by selecting a guardian like the Ledger Nano S Plus, a beacon of affordability, ease, and a fortress for over 5,500 cryptocurrencies. It only costs $79 shipped to your door. The Ledger Nano S Plus is my hardware wallet of choice. Cold storage, the realm of offline safeguarding, is your Antarctic haven against the fiery attempts of hackers. We're zooming in on why transforming your digital riches into a fortress inaccessible by online marauders is not just smart, it is essential. With hardware wallets like the Ledger Nano S Plus and Trezor Safe 3 guarding your realm, peace of mind in the volatile world of cryptocurrency is not just a dream, it's your reality. The Trezor Model T and the Trezor Safe 3 are premium hardware wallets offering robust security for your crypto assets. The Trezor Suite interface provides a user-friendly experience for managing your crypto assets. The Trezor Safe 3 costs $79 and the Model T costs $179. These are good alternatives to the Ledger Nano S Plus. What about free software wallets? Enter the guardians of the cryptoverse, MetaMask, Phantom, and Kepler. First up, MetaMask, your gateway to the Ethereum universe. With MetaMask, the world of DeFi, NFTs, and smart contracts is at your fingertips. It's not just a wallet, it's a bridge to the Ethereum blockchain, empowering you to interact with decentralized applications seamlessly. But why stop at software? Combine MetaMask with a hardware wallet, and voila, your very own fortress of solitude. This dynamic duo transforms your security game, safeguarding your private keys in the impenetrable vault of a hardware wallet. It's like having a digital Swiss bank account in your pocket. Next, we navigate Solana's fast-paced lanes with Phantom. For those mesmerized by lightning-fast transactions and the burgeoning landscape of Solana's DeFi and NFT markets, Phantom isn't just a wallet, it's your high-speed vehicle in the race of innovation, and just when you thought it couldn't get any better, tether Phantom to a hardware wallet, and watch as your digital assets are locked away from the digital marauders of the internet. It's not just securing assets, it's securing your legacy in the new world. Last but by no means least, Kepler, your cosmic guide to the Cosmos network. Kepler doesn't just hold your assets, it connects you to a constellation of blockchains, making it a portal to cross-chain adventures. But the real magic? Combine Kepler with a hardware wallet and you've got an armory that even digital knights would envy. Imagine wielding the power to explore the multiverse of blockchains with the peace of mind that your keys are secured in a physical vault. MetaMask, Phantom, and Kepler, three titans of cryptocurrency storage, each with its own dominion. But when paired with the unyielding strength of a hardware wallet, they transform into bastions of security, empowering you to navigate the cryptoverse with confidence. Gentlemen, the future doesn't wait. It's time to elevate your game, secure your assets, secure your legacy, embrace the synergy of software and hardware wallets, and forge your path in the digital frontier. Let this guide be your compass as you navigate cryptocurrency investment's thrilling yet treacherous seas. Together, let's set sail towards a future where your digital wealth is not just secured, but flourishing. As we close this chapter of our journey, I urge you, subscribe and join our community. Together we'll conquer fears, embrace security, and unlock the boundless potential of our digital fortunes. Your quest for crypto mastery has just begun. Subscribe now, and let's forge our path to triumph.